Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. So of course if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you'd like to in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data, because here we've got some basic and advanced options which we will be able to remove. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, auto-fill form data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So if you are ready, just tap on clear data, and as you can see the history is empty, which simply means that we just removed everything. So starting from the browsing history and ending on the saved passwords, for example. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your Samsung Galaxy M53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.